In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert a text box in Google Docs. Whether you're trying to highlight important information, organize your layout more clearly, or you simply want to make your document look more professional, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Google Docs document and make sure everything is saved properly. Once you're there, go to the top left corner and click on Insert. A drop-down menu will open, so hover your mouse over Drawing and then click on New. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, a drawing canvas will pop up. At the top of this window, click on the text box icon. It looks like a little square with a T inside. Now click, hold, and drag your mouse to draw the text box in the size you want. Once the box appears, you can type whatever text you want inside it. This tool gives you full freedom to format headings, labels, callouts, and more. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure the text you add is readable, choose a suitable font size, and avoid placing too much text inside one box. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary layout issues. Once you've entered your text, you can customize it. At the top of the drawing window, choose Fill Color if you want a background, adjust the border weight to make the outline thicker, or change the border color to match your style. These simple adjustments instantly make your text box look clean and professional. When you're happy with your design, click Save and close. Your text box will now appear directly in your Google Doc. After that, you should position the box exactly where you want it. Click on the text box, then click the three dots to open image options. Select Text Wrapping and choose Wrap Text. This allows you to move the box freely around your document without breaking the layout. It's also a good idea to adjust margins or spacing around the box to keep your page neat and easy to read. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to insert and customize text boxes in Google Docs easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?